Hi everyone, Carol here from Infraspeak. Today I'll be guiding you on how to set up a work order module by showing you how to configure a corrective maintenance operation. Okay, let's get started. In this video, we'll be looking at how to set up your Infraspeak in order to be able to manage your corrective maintenance. In the web version of Infraspeak, you can now start to configure the platform in order to manage your daily operations and the daily work order requests. With this in mind, you should now start creating the work order areas and types. The goal here is to categorize and organize the orders that get reported. It's extremely simple. Head over to the Administration tab on the left-hand side of the menu and select the Work Orders Areas and Types option within the Work Orders section. You can even click on the new work order area and give it a name. That's it. The first work order area has now been created. For example, a work order area can be something like electricity, HVAC, housekeeping, or others. Once the work order area is created, the manager will need to create a type of work order within it. Work order area type refers to the most common problems. So let's imagine the area created was electricity. Work order types related to electricity could be safety circuit faults, power losses, damaged sockets, anything as you wish. If the work order area created was HVAC, the work order types could be something like dripping water, damaged filter, faulty cooling or heating, won't turn on, or remote control doesn't work, among others. In order to create a type of this area, the manager needs to select the area and then click on the new work order type. There can be several different work order types under a given work order area. To edit the work order type, the steps are very similar to the ones needed to create work order area. Keep in mind that the list for the areas and types should not be so long that it becomes difficult to be used by both technicians and Infraspeak Direct users. Aim for something like about 10 areas with 10 types each. So far, we've seen how a maintenance manager can create a work order area and type, but we know a little trick that can be used to assign automatically a work order to a specific user or a technical skill. Whenever the manager is creating or editing a work order type, they may provide a crucial piece of information that will lead to this automatic assignment. This can be done in two ways. The first method is directly assigning a user to a given work order type and stating specifically that whatever work order of this type is created, any user assigned to it will be notified and part of this operation. If you take the electricity as an example, the manager may assign that the light switch doesn't work failure to some users and the burned out light bulb failure to another type of users. The second method is by assigning the work order type to someone with a specific technical skill. For example, a user can have an electrical technical skill and be automatically assigned to work order types such as failures related to lights not turning on, burned out light bulbs, faulty safety circuits, or any other work order related to electricity and the electrical technical skill. As we've covered in the previous chapters, it's possible to pause a work order under an ongoing status. The ability to pause work orders also gives the manager and the technician the option to select the reason why the work order is being paused. However, with Infraspeak, we go above and beyond with a new level of control by enabling the possibility of managing the reasons for pausing a work order. To do so, the manager needs to go to the Administration tab, click on the Work Order section, and select Pause Reasons. On the same page, the manager can create new pause reasons, edit the ones already added by default, or delete the ones no longer needed. Last but not least, they can define which pause reasons can be used by technicians and managers. That's it. Congratulations. You are now ready to start setting up your reactive maintenance in Infraspeak. I hope you enjoy this video. And as always, you can check out more relevant information and the links in the descriptions. And make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Stay tuned for our next episode and keep watching for this video's pro tip. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye. There's just one little extra tip missing to complete this chapter. Work orders have priorities and their names are editable inside of Infraspeak. If you want to know how it works, just check the description below and learn more about this topic. See you around.